welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day, a full day of eating to lose weight and to get ab definition. Well, this is what I eat to lose weight and to get ab definition. You got to put it out there because I'm not saying if everyone eats this, you're going to get abs, but you may lose weight. Before we get started, Les wants to say hi.
Oh, what's up? What's going on?
Y'all know Les, my mans.
Hope this video don't make you too hungry.
I know, right? It might. It just might. So here are the ingredients for my first meal of the day. It's actually similar to my dinner. I'm kind of on like a tortilla kick right now. Like I just freaking love tortillas. These are the siete almond flour tortillas. I have a few of these left, so I'm going to eat them. But once they're done, I'm going to switch to a lower carb. So these have 11 grams of fat, which is kind of a lot. And then, well, I guess it's really like 5 grams of fat because a serving is 2 tortillas and 10 grams of carbs. I was supposed to say 100. So it's 100 calories, 5.5 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs. So we have ground chicken, and I always separate this. This is about 150 grams of protein, eggs, Asiago cheese. I love Asiago cheese, and it has... yeah, 0 carbs. Can you see it? 0 carbs. Spinach, because very low macros, period. White rice, which I don't always do, but today I am. And avocado. Is that everything? And I can't forget my scale. Taylor is the brand. I think I just got this on Amazon. Honestly, any scale will do. You just turn on like that. Say you want to measure a couple things. You can just put this on here first. Okay, 238 grams. Hit 0. And then put this on here like that. 191. That way you can see how much everything weighs separate, I guess. We always meal prep a ton of rice. That way we can just have it here. Rice and your protein, I feel like you can cook a lot of it. And it just speeds up the whole cooking process. So before I start cooking for the day, I always put my food into my MyFitnessPal, the app, and I'll put both lunch and dinner. That way if I need, like say, I'm trying to think of a situation. So say I just put my lunch in and I eat whatever I want and I throw in my macros. Once dinner comes, I might not have like a full meal. So I like to just make sure that lunch and dinner are somewhat even. My lunch is, which is actually kind of breakfast. My lunch and breakfast is usually a little bit more calories, macros, everything, because it's the first thing I eat off of my fast and after the gym. So today's meal is 982 calories. I know. 60.6 grams of carbs, 60.1 gram of fat, and 79.9 grams of protein. Oh, another thing I want to point out, I like eating 2 meals because it saves time. Like cooking, even just eating, it takes up time. So I'd rather just eat twice and then be productive the rest of the day. Boom, there you have it. Ooh, that looks good. Why are you looking at my food like that?
Let me get some.
I know this looks like a lot of food for most of you, but remember, I only eat twice a day and I try not to snack, as in like I shouldn't be snacking ever. So when I eat a big meal like this, it makes me completely full and I don't even want to snack. So it kind of helps me or trains me not to snack, if that makes sense. I heated the rice up for too long, so it's kind of crunchy. A little overcooked. After I'm done eating, I love taking these vitamins. So probiotics, which give you, I guess, good bacteria. A multivitamin, women's multivitamin. And, ooh, these are so good, digestive pills. So you take these after you eat and they just help digest your food. Obviously consult a doctor, because I'm not a doctor. Okay, this is just what I take and what I like and what I guess just works for me. It might be 4 o'clock, but it looks like it's about 7:30 outside. It is dark. Well, you guys can see in reflection, it's it's pretty dark for 4 o'clock. So my last meal of the day is kind of similar to my first meal, minus the eggs and the avocado. But I'm gonna weigh everything and then just stick it in the microwave and cook my tortillas, and that's about it. Like I was saying, you guys, she does not have time to be cooking all day. All right, so I weighed my ground chicken, and then I kind of just move everything to the right or whatever side, and now I'm gonna add my spinach, rice, and cheese, and then just heat it up. Pretty easy. I don't know if you guys are picky about the stems, these guys, but I feel like I'm kind of picky. Like sometimes I'll throw them in there, sometimes I won't. All right, so we have our 26 grams of spinach, and then I'm gonna clear it again so it goes to 0. And then I'm gonna just pour, like, how am I gonna do this with one hand? Just gonna pour the rice. Oh, don't do that. All right, 104, I went over, so I'm just gonna change it on my Fitness Pal, hit clear again, and then we're gonna add the cheese. I like to measure my cheese in ounces, so I just switch it to ounces. And ooh, tell me that doesn't look good. Some of y'all probably like, nah. It's good though, it's really good and healthy. So we're gonna throw that in the microwave and then cook our tortillas. Throw on those tortillas. Boom, there you have it, that's dinner. So I'm just gonna scoop this into here and have my tacos. Enjoy my meals. I overcooked this one a little bit, but I kind of like it crispy. Listen, Tapatio hot sauce will change your life. Okay, it will change your life. It is everything you need and more. Especially when you can't have butter or anything. Tapatio comes through. So boom, here we have it. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. So on a scale of 1 to hungry, right now I'm kind of just at like a 3. I ate my first meal of the day so late that I'm not really that hungry. But I need to stop eating so I can start my fast. So there you have it. I don't feel like I'm forcing myself to eat. I'm just I feel okay. I don't need to eat. And I kind of feel like that's the key, you know? You should always feel you should never feel starved. And you should never feel super hungry. I mean, ideally. I go through phases, you know? Right now I'm in a taco phase. I feel like I've been in the taco phase for a while now. But y'all remember when I used to make my bird bowl? I was in the bird bowl phase. And then before that, I was doing salads every day. I was in a salad phase. Now I'm in a taco phase. Alright, so that's pretty much everything I eat in a day. It's now 4:30, so my fast starts now, which means I'm only drinking water for the rest of the night. You can definitely have tea. You can have coffee as long as you don't put any sugar in it. And yeah, and I feel like fasting for 16 hours, so I'm not going to eat until tomorrow I'm probably going to fast actually for 18 hours. I'll probably eat at 10:30. That's normal for me. But fasting will make you snatched. Mark my words. It will. You're going to wake up in the morning, okay? And you will be snatched. You will be all the way flat. And I feel like that's one of the ways to get abs is to fast, which means, it doesn't mean you're starving yourself. It means that you're eating all of your macros, all of your calories, everything in a shorter window, and it works. Period. Thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like my next video that involves food should be a mukbang or a cheat day, because now my cheat days, whoo, I had one the other day. Fried chicken, Cajun fried chicken, waffle, French toast. I win it. Let me know your guys' thoughts on my next video if you guys like this type of style of, vlogging what I eat. Do you guys want to see a cheat day? Maybe a mukbang? Let me know. And until next time, bye y'all.